Okay, but why are you here? Why are you here?
Okay, why I am here is because I am in my ancestral land. That is our great grandfather's land. This is my home. Many people don't know that we and our Igbo brothers share the same ancestral family.
Really?
Yes.
Which is?
The descendants of Oba. Oba is the third son of the
Hello, wonderful people. I am Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbos non-proponent. I am still here in the ancient kingdom of Idu Eri, and I am having a very illustrious son of Isoko Wado. You know, the most important, the most beautiful thing is that this kingdom is hosting one of the ancient festivals, and you are here as an Isoko person. First of all, before we proceed, I want you to introduce yourself and greet your people, because in this channel, I can assure you that a lot of your people are following us. Introduce your name and give them a shout out.
Okay. Isoko Wado.
Yes.
Isoko Wado.
Yeah.
Isoko Wado. Ijo. You go wrong?
No, I don't go wrong.
How is it?
Wow.
So I am Ajiro NF Delis Onyedenwe Obodago. I'm from Isoko South local government area in Delta State. I'm from Araya community, to be precise. So today we are here. You know, there have been a saying, is Isoko Igbo or Isoko is are they part of Igbo? Maybe as we are going, as we keep on listening, we come to that.
Okay, but why are you here? Why are you here?
Okay, why I am here is because I am in my ancestral land. That is our great grandfather's land. This is my home. Many people don't know that we and our Igbo brothers share the same ancestral family.
Really?
Yes.
Which is?
The descendants of Oba. Oba is the third son of the descendants
Oba of Benin. Oba of Benin.
You are talking about, how did they get that name? Oba of Benin. Is the Oba the third son of Eri?
Really?
This is what many people don't know. And when you begin to say it, they will begin to ask you, how did you get your history? And I keep telling them, go and make your own research, because I've done mine. Among the children of you have you have Ata, which is
the Kogi, the Ata, Kogi,
the
Gala people here. Yeah.
The Igedes. Those are the descendants of Ata.
Really?
Then the Oba, where are his descendants? Where are his children? Those are the things that people don't know. So Oba gave back to Edozuno, they abbreviated Edo. And Edozuno gave back to Onitsha, and Bini was spelled B-I-N-I. That is the real spelling of Bini. Go and find it. Then Bini and the Onitsha traveled down Onitsha, stop before I cross the river, before he get to Bini continued, he's a warrior, with his half brothers and everybody, down to where you call Bini today.
When you say Bini, you mean the Igodomigodo?
The Igodomigodos, yes. The real original indigenous people of Bini is Igodomigodo. So they are the children of Bini. Now, from there, the Edo, where the Edo come from, is that Edozuno. It's just like when Eri landed here, he built Obi for his father.
Yes.
So that's where you are hearing Edo is
Edozuno.
So from there, before they migrated, some of them left that place. Right here, have been the place they built as the empire there. Before they migrated down to where they call Ife, where they say Ijife.
Do you speak Igbo?
I happen to hear Igbo small.
But the way you are illustrating,
yes.
it's as if you are an expert in the language. And I mean, your sense of history is sharp. Well, I wouldn't want to. I mean, because of other interviews that we have, I think I will have you on one-on-one special on this platform. But let me also meet our Ishekiri brothers and our Urobo brothers.
Okay.
Thank you. So, what's your name again?
I'm Ajiro.
Adirogene. Obidagoro.
Yes.
Obidago.
Not Obudagoro.
Okay, Obidago.
Obudago. Generation does not end.
Okay, Obidago.
Yes.
That is a Isoko language. Really? There are more to learn about Isoko.
Okay.
I mean, with your special invite, I'll have to come.
Okay.
Isoko South, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.